Hi, got the Ferrex circular saw here. Obviously this is last year one, roughly about October, November last year this one came out. Just going to open the box again and holding the camera with the as you can see, it's been well used. This has used in all kinds of stuff, from kitchen fitting, floorboarding, tongue and groove boards, all that kind of stuff. It's held up quite well. It was £35 from Aldi, local Aldi. It seems alright to me, but then I've got nothing else to compare it to be honest with you. Obviously £35, not including the battery and the charger. I think this one here only runs with the 2040 volt battery. The battery is about £30 extra, and then you go buy the charger as well. It's got the laser. And yeah, it's not bad actually. That's it, yeah. The Ferrex circular saw.